Good news for PhilHealth members because members can now enjoy enhanced healthcare services as the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation has officially lifted its 45-day benefit limit rule. This move ensures that patients, especially those battling serious illnesses or chronic conditions, can continue receiving the medical care they need without restrictions. Our Bien Manalo has the report.
Jocelyn was diagnosed with chronic kidney disease stage 5 for more than a year ago. She contracted the disease because of her unattended diet of too much salty and fatty foods, which led to her hypertensive condition.
Mga pagkain hindi na normal na pinapasok natin sa katawan. Misay maaalat. Dahil nagme-maintenance ako, hindi ko na naano yung pagkain ko, nakokontrol.
She continues to undergo hemodialysis, so she was very happy when she got wind of PhilHealth has raising the ceiling of benefits for treatment of certain illnesses, including hemodialysis.
Laking ginhawa sa amin para sa aming dialysis patient, lalong-lalo na sa sitwasyon namin na tinamaan ng ganito.
Jocelyn is just one of the tens of thousands of PhilHealth members who stand to benefit from the removal of the 45-day benefit limit. Under this, patients will have no limitations and be able to continue to receive health services, especially those with serious illnesses or chronic conditions.
Inalis na ng PhilHealth ang 45-day benefit limit para matiyak na ang mga serbisyo ng ahensya ay mananatiling walang hadlang. Ayon sa pamunuan ng PhilHealth, maraming mga serbisyo ang kinakailangan ng higit 45 days na coverage, gaya nga lamang ng hemodialysis.
The good news is that the change covers all conditions or diseases. But according to the agency, it is still required to go through the proper process and must be in accordance with the patient's medical needs and treatment plan. Health facilities will also be strictly monitored for compliance with clinical standards and reimbursement rules.
Lahat ng tinatawag na case rates, nasa mga 9,000 conditions po yun. Wala na po talagang 45-day limit. Uniform po yung application yan. Pati yung mga special package, yung mga tinatawag na Z-benefits, wala na ring 45-day benefit limit. Ikaw ba ay Pilipino? Ikaw ba ay miyembro? At dahil sa ating Universal Healthcare Act, lahat ng Pilipino ay miyembro ng PhilHealth. Lahat po covered and eligible.
Meanwhile, the Food and Drug Administration or FDA has released a list of 17 types of medicines exempt from the 12% value-added tax. This includes 12 drugs for cholesterol, 3 for diabetes, and 1 for hypertension and mental illnesses. These are just in addition to the more than 2,000 drugs that were previously made VAT exempt under Republic Act No. 10963 or the Tax Reform for Acceleration and Inclusion or TRAIN Act, and the RA number 11534 or the Corporate Recovery and Tax Incentives for Enterprises or CREATE Act. It aims to make drugs affordable for all Filipinos. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.